Hello, namaskar, everybody. I am very blessed to be a part of this big event. Ram Lalla has come all the way from India, and Ram Lalla from Ayodhya is exactly like the Ram Lalla that we have here. I'm extremely feeling myself blessed and happy to be a part of this event. This is the temple of Ram Lalla located on Sismet Rd. I invite everybody humbly to come and be a part of this temple. We also have Neem Karoli Babaji, Chiddhi Vinayak ji from Mumbai, and of course, Hamare Hanuman ji. So again, it's on Sismet Road. This is Canadian Hindu. It's a Canadian Sanatan mission, Ram Lalla Temple, and blessings to all of you from the deities. And thank you very much. Namaskar ji.